Yo, it's James Smalls, the one and only rock star farmer with the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, located here in Walterboro, South Carolina. We're doing a video. The flash is on. Today's video is about which kind of boots should women homesteaders use to work out here in the natural elements with these animals that we love so much. But you know what? They are kind of like destructive things to be around. You know, they tear up everything. So, and there's mud and it's dirty work. You see what I'm saying? The Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, James Smalls, Sakina, her son, baby girl over here. Look, she coming out the darkness over there. The pigs is running right to her. And like I said, this video is about her new boots. And so, yo, hold up, yo, hold up. We do it about the boots and for young women homesteaders. Look, she got pigs running around her. But these boots,
these are farm-ready shoes. I have been in the mud, dealing with the animals. I even got one pig that's bit on the foot, bit on the shoe, but they ready. They farm-ready.
yeah.
Farm, snake hunting, everything ready. So yeah, all the women that's on the farm, this is the way to go. It's all about safety. They're comfortable and safe.
And
So let's get to it, baby. We got a lot of pigs to get in.
yo, yeah. Hey, we about to handle some of this farm work, but we gonna show y'all how her boots work. But y'all just saw the pigs right there around her. You know what I mean? And like, you see how dark it is out here? Guess what? Pigs still eat in the darkness. And you still gotta feed them with new shoes on and everything, man. So, look. At least they ain't trying to eat us. You see what I'm saying? But there's beauty in this. There's love in this. And that's what we about. My snake boots are a little bit old and worn out. However, to teach someone and to get somebody out here in this Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, yo, Roxy 2 had her babies. She right there standing in front of them. Look. We had more babies born. It's dark out here. We making this video. But life goes on in light and dark. So, Roxy, I'm coming to feed you, baby girl. So, we just out here doing a little feeding. Nighttime feeding. Yo, here in the Seekret Garden, a little behind the scene footage. This is how we make certain fires to make our videos instead of that good lighting that everybody be having. You know what I mean? Like, we sit out here and burn a tire, and we're gonna make this background footage lighting for the snake boot video with a tire burning. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Look, we in the pig pen. Oh, we back with the snake boot video. Tell her, baby. Hold her, baby. Yo, she doing her feet. And so, I was showing y'all a little while ago We could do a fire, but guess what? She's the fire with these boots. So she over here filling up these 5-gallon buckets of water to these hog waterers. Look at her jacket. Is she wet? Are you wet, baby?
Yeah.
Are you wet or are you wet? You know what I mean? Like,
it's a lot we get in the pigs, but they eat so much.
But how does the boots feel?
The boots feel great. I mean, I'm ready for the farm. I'm ready for the farm life. Ready for the farm.
We gonna get it up close. These are the mossy oak women's ones. You know, they go up to about almost to your knee. They snake proof. They waterproof unless you use them every day. And then they start getting some water in the bottom. However, for all the women on the homestead, like this young lady right here, hey,
all the lady farmers.
Yeah. So look, she out here and she's feeding these 2 pigs right here. She just was in there feeding them. Like I said, it be raining and sometimes it get a little muddy. But like, look, if you look at them, they white pigs and they are white. They're not looking like they've been in the mud that much, even though they are. But they're eating good, you see what I'm saying? And she got these good snake boots that y'all see right here at the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC. You gotta have some good gear, because the snakes, they don't care. They don't care. Summertime over here in these woods, you gotta have something like this and like that. You gotta have a woman and some snake boots in the pig underneath the light. Hey, yo, if you could just see this light on you right now, baby. Hey, yo, you in the spotlight right now with your snake boots. All I can say is, everybody, if Seekret Garden could tell y'all anything, snake boots for women is the way to go.
Yeah, I recommend them. I mean, try them out, ladies. Like I said, especially the farmers, the hunters. Try them out. They comfortable and, you know, safety first. So.
Anybody around snakes.
Yeah.
And y'all, look at this moonlight. We're going on the full moon right now. Seekret Garden, pig pen style, Rockstar Farmer, Walterboro, South Carolina. Yo, this how we do it. Snake boots for women, underneath the light. That's how we do it. Thank y'all for watching. So yeah, this how we doing it. We burned up all those bread bags and this tire. We got the 4-wheeler coming over here, and you know what I mean? So we just sitting out here. There's still a snake boot video, but see, like, women can even drive a 4-wheeler in the dark with snake boots on. So, baby, show them your snake boots. Like, show them how you look driving the 4-wheeler. You see what I'm saying? So this is for all the ladies out there who watching the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC. We got the Rockstar Farmer and we got lovely Sakina right there, the queen. Yo, the queen. You know what I mean? She rocking these Seekret Garden snake boots right there. So you see what I'm saying? For everybody. And if you look right over there, we got the fire going. We just want to see how the snake boots look next to the fire. Let's model for them, baby. Let's show them what we working with. You know what I mean? Get the fire in that thing. Oh, snap. Full moon, fire, snake boots. See, the thing is, you gotta be protected out here in all kind of weather and environments. So the tire, the snake boots, the beautiful ladies, you know, everybody out there who homesteading, tell them, baby, how do they feel on your feet?
They are comfortable. I love them.
Okay. Did they protect you from the pigs?
Yes, they did.
Well, did you see any snakes tonight?
No snakes tonight.
No. So you didn't have to use them for snakes, but you did have to use them for other purposes.
go so deep. So, you know, the long story about me getting the boots was my other boots got lost in the pig pen. I literally got stuck like bogged down in the pig pen. So these work. I was able to, you know, do the work and not get my foot stuck in the mud. So,
But baby, how does it feel next to the fire? Are they warm? They keeping your feet nice and warm? Could you feel yourself in the wintertime in those boots?
Yeah, I like them.
All right, so it ain't just for pig pen summertime, it's pig pen wintertime for women's style. You know, so summertime boots, they lightweight. This is what women wear in this kind of environment and lifestyle, you know. You got a tire, fire pit. Even the tire will catch on fire after it's all said and done, but we good with that.